Before I speak up my mind on the work-life balance, I wish to share with you some real-life cases. In a 5-day work week company, manager Nasoor 1 always stayed back late in office, worked on Saturdays, and complained every now and then that when he reaches home, his son is sleeping, and when he gets up in the morning, his son has already gone to school, and that he had been seeing his son growing in the bed only. He forced his team members to sit back late every day and on weekends come to office on Saturdays for his moral support. Manager Nasoor 2 adopted philosophy to always keep telling his bosses about his worries for the huge workload and the tight schedule to gain sympathy and leverage if he or his team slipped on the dates. He often kept complaining about poor quality people given to him in his team who were making him lose face every now and then in the project update meetings. Manager Nasoor 3 made it a habit to shoot project-related emails that he made ready during the daytime to all concerned between 11:30 p.m. to 12:30 a.m. to let the world know how hard-working he was, working round the clock, prioritizing company's work over anything else. Manager Nasoor 4, whenever required, he used to get out of the office for 2 to 3 hours to finish all his personal works and be back in office, sit late for 2 to 3 hours every day beyond office time, and forced his team members to sit late along with him. Manager Nasoor 5 preferred to sit in office late because his doctor wife was always busy and being childless, there was nothing to do at home. He would come to office on Saturdays and tell his bosses that he is available for Sundays also. He dictated his team to remain in office till he was present. Later, some Nasoor manager got divorced by their wives and some got abandoned by their kids on the grounds that they were never around when they were needed the most. I know, hearing this, many names of the people around you may flash up in your mind. All such Nasoor managers were inefficient, work-fearing cowards who lacked on planning. They not only made the mess of their own life, but also of their family members, their subordinates, and their subordinates' family members. Balancing the work and the life means an equilibrium situation where one does not ignore one front at the cost of the other. Success on both fronts is equally important and also interdependent. It is not easy in the demanding world today. Still, we all must need to understand and respect the fact that like one needs to study at school or university for a certain number of years to earn a graduation or a certificate or a degree, projects on the office front and associated tasks are also designed and planned similarly, and they cannot be accomplished overnight and must be given time, space, and attention accordingly for the best outcome. Time that has gone by never returns. If you do not play with your newly born kid at home, you will miss the important moments of parenthood. If you don't spend time with your family, friends, and related social events, believe me, your personality will get only half grown. It is a proven fact that those who arrive at office with happy mind, heart, and soul performs much better than those who arrive unhappy. The formers are more likely to reach back to home in the evening with a happy mind, heart, and soul. And the cycle continues. Like the target on the professional front, there are targets to achieve on the personal front as well. Failure to achieve on one front impacts the achievement on the other front as well. Both fronts are of equal importance and require investment of time wisely. Organizations' work culture is dependent on individuals especially the ones sitting on senior positions. It has been proven over time and again that organizations' success is directly dependent on the percentage of the happy employees it has. As a person spends most of his active hours of the day at workplace, it is more of the responsibility of the organizations to create a work culture conducive to introduce, retain, and promote work-life balance among its employees. And better planning is not only the key that plays an important role towards success, but also for the work-life balance, be it professional or personal front. If you haven't planned, then you have planned to fail. Nasoor, I mean wounds that never heal.